We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Dallas County until 3:30. Severe thunderstorm is located over West Dallas, Cockrell Hill area, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for central Dallas County. A severe thunderstorm over West Dallas, the Cockrell Hill area, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour on a path toward downtown and near North Dallas within the next few minutes. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.